Hi everyone, so we are actually dealing with liver pathology. In liver, you can actually see two important bodies, Councilman bodies, Mallory Denk bodies. So in this picture, it is depicting Councilman bodies. Here you can see highly eosinophilic structure, isn't it? So what is the peculiarity? At the center, you have a condensed chromatin. So that is Councilman bodies. Its cytoplasm is highly eosinophilic and you have a condensed chromatin. So this Councilman bodies you can see in viral hepatitis. Mostly you can see in hepatitis C. Okay. It is the most commonly associated. Specifically, you can get some questions like in which hepatitis most commonly you can see them. So you can see in hepatitis C. Okay. So these are actually apoptotic bodies. That means the hepatic cells after apoptosis have become like this. Okay. Now why the first picture, the above picture, you can see a lot of fatty liver, a lot of vacuoles. So that is saying about steatosis. Also, I hope you can clearly observe a lot of lymphocytic aggregation also in the portal and periportal area. So that is all saying about viral hepatitis. Okay, mostly hepatitis C. Now when we come to the next one, that is Mallory Denk body. So here you can see, here also you can see some eosinophilic inclusions, eosinophilic globular inclusions. So here this is Mallory Denk bodies. This Mallory Denk bodies, it is actually they are intermediate filaments. Very important, you can get this question. So they are intermediate filaments, cytokeratin 818. Okay, this Mallory Denk bodies are made up of the cytokeratin 818. So they are not any hepatic cells and all. The Councilman bodies were hepatic cells after apoptosis. So you can see the condensed chromatin and all. But here it is just intermediate filament. So you do not see any chromatin. It is just a globular eosinophilic inclusion. Okay. So you can also see a lot of fatty vacuoles, fatty liver. Okay. So this is picture is showing alcoholic liver disease. Here you can see this Mallory Denk bodies. Near to that you can see the lymphocytic aggregation. Lymphocytes will be there. Also there you can see fatty liver, the vacuoles. So all this suggesting of alcoholic liver disease. But Mallory Denk bodies, you cannot see them alone in alcoholic liver disease. They are not diagnostic of alcoholic liver disease. Okay. Councilman bodies were seen in viral hepatitis, and Mallory Denk bodies, you can see them in a lot of cases. One such condition is alcoholic liver disease. You can see them in Wilson's disease also. Wilson's disease also you can see them, and then in childhood cirrhosis, Indian childhood cirrhosis. You can also see them in hepatocellular carcinoma, and you can also see them in cholestatic disorders, and you can also see them in primary biliary cirrhosis. So when we actually study this example, it is also important to focus on where you cannot see Mallory Denk bodies, because here you have a condition called Wilson's disease, but Mallory Denk bodies is not there in hemochromatosis. It is not there. It is present in Wilson's disease, but it is not seen in hemochromatosis. It is present in primary biliary cirrhosis. In secondary biliary cirrhosis, it is not seen. So mostly that type of questions also you can get where it is not seen. Okay. So alcoholic liver disease, Wilson's disease, Indian childhood cirrhosis, hepatocellular carcinoma, cholestatic disorders, and primary biliary cirrhosis. So all these are the conditions where you get Mallory Denk bodies, and Councilman bodies are seen in viral hepatitis. Okay, thank you.